break the tradition, pioneer for the future. Introducing the groundbreaking robotic vacuum cleaner with Osmo Roller Mopping. DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni. Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping uses fresh water. Featuring 4,000 PA of super pressure intensity, impressive 200 RPM, and the constant pressure scraper. Effectively handle tough stains while avoiding streaks and cross-contamination, ensuring a fresh and clean result every roll. Powerfully removing spills and tough stains. Even more, the second generation of True Edge Adaptive Edge Cleaning uses 3D Edge Sensor, ensuring DEEBOT walks precisely along the edge. Adaptive Edge Mopping and Side Brush leave no corner untouched. DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni, the first ever of its kind, impeccably clean on the roll.